Power 2, welcome to another video, and this is the extra credit that I assigned to you today. I'm going to try to go really slow so that you understand everything, and please do not hesitate to play back any of this so that you can get it. All right, let's jump into the first one. So this is our first one that we're looking at, which reads 7 to 2 equals blank to 4. Now, we're going to set this up as a fraction. So we're going to put, and it's kind of hard to see, but you have some faint lines that I gave you. 7 over 2, first place, second place, top, bottom, equals, that blank, we're going to use a variable to represent x, and then we're going to have 4. Okay? Next, we're going to do our butterfly method, which is our cross multiplying. So I have 2 times x equals 7 times 4. From here, we're just going to simplify this, and we're going to do 2 times x, which gives us 2x, equals 7 times 4, which equals 28. Next, we're going to have to do the opposite of multiplication. These two, the variable and the number right here, are multiplying. We need to do the opposite of multiplication, which is division. This line means division. So remember, we're pretending that this is our mirror. Whatever we do on one side, we have to do to the other side. So we're going to do divided by 2 because we want to get x by itself. Okay? And I'm really going to slow this down for you so that you can see exactly what I mean. In my calculator, if I put 2 divided by 2 in there, I'm going to get the answer 1. That is the same thing as 1x, all right? So that's why those cancel out, because they just mean 1. We're going to set that equal to, keeping my mirror there, 28 divided by 2, cutting 28 in half, is going to give me 14. That is the same thing as saying x equals 14. We just drop that 1 off. And just like that, we're done. All right, let's jump into this one. 10 to 9 equals blank to 27. So I'm going to do my first fraction, which is going to be 10 over 9 equals, and then my blank is going to be x over 27. From there, I'm going to cross multiply. 9 times x is going to give me 9x. Okay? And then 10 times 27 is going to give me 270. From there, the 9 and the x, they're multiplying. So I need to do the opposite, which is division. So I'm now going to do 9 divided by 9. That's going to give me 1x, and then I'm going to have my 270 divided by 9. It's going to give me 30. And we're done. Let's check this one out. 1 to 9 equals 3 to blank. 1 on top of 9, and I'm going to set that equal to 3 on top of my variable, which is going to be x. 3 over x. I'm going to cross multiply 1 and x, which means I'm doing 1 times x, and then I'm going to cross multiply 9 times 3, which is going to give me 27. When I divide, I'm going to divide both sides by 1. I don't really have to do that, so I can just leave it as x divided by 27, because it's going to be the same thing if you divide by 1. All right, 4 to 7 equals blank to 14. I'm going to set this up the same way. 4 on top of 7 equals x, because that's my blank, on top of 14. From there, I'm going to cross multiply. 7 times x, write that out, and then I'm going to set it equal to 14 times 4. So I'm going to simplify during this step. What's 7 times x? 7 times x is going to give me 7x. What's 4 times 14? 4 times 14 is going to give me 56. I'm going to now see that 7 and x are multiplying. I'm going to do the opposite by dividing. You have to get x by itself, and that's going to be dividing both sides by 7. Those 7's cancel out because they turn into a 1, and I'm left with 1x equals 56 divided by 7 is going to give me 8. Same thing as x equals 8 because that 1 just drops off.